In this video I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet using 5 stitches into the same one for doing a popcorn. So right where it tells you to do it in the pattern, you're gonna put 5 half double crochets as normal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you get your 5 done, you're gonna drop the loop and go to the beginning one of the grouping of 5. Go from the front to the back on the first stitch, grab the loop and pull through. Just like you see. So then it makes the pop come towards you. So if you had to do it again, then you would just put 5 half double crochets into the same one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop it and go from the beginning one from the front to the back. This is assumed as right side popcorn, and then grab it and pull through. So if it ever told you to do this and go from the wrong side, what's gonna happen is you'll still put in your 5, but instead of going from the front to the back, you'll go from the back of that first stitch. It's a little more awkward doing the back on this one, I have to tell you. And then you're going to grab the loop and then pull through. And look at the difference. See the difference? It changes what side this is gonna be working on. So if you're ever looking for texture, this is a really neat idea, and this is using 5 half double crochets as a popcorn stitch.